Now to the local courtroom drama today. A professional guardian under fire for allegedly causing the death of a man who was under her care by issuing a do not resuscitate order without permission. I-Team investigator Adam Walser tried to get answers after a judge grilled that guardian about another case. Adam?
That's right, Paul. Rebecca Furley has been appointed by courts to care for at least 450 people in 13 counties who judges have ruled can't care for themselves. Today, a Hillsborough County judge ordered her to appear in court to explain how she oversees her cases in the wake of a DNR order she placed on Stephen Stryker before his death at a local hospital. Hey, Rebecca, do you feel bad about what happened to Stephen Stryker? Rebecca Furley didn't want to talk to us as she left the Hillsborough County Courthouse Wednesday. But moments earlier, she had to answer to a judge.
I set this hearing, as I'm sure you can assume, because I found out what was happening over in Orlando.
Earlier this month, an Orlando judge removed Furley from 98 cases after she capped off Stephen Stryker's feeding tube and signed a do not resuscitate order. Stryker choked to death at St. Joseph's Hospital days later, and after doctors told her not to sign the order. He choked to death after you signed this, and the hospital people told you that could happen. You not feel bad about that? A state investigation has recommended criminal charges against Furley for withholding medical care, something ABC Action News legal expert Jeff Swartz says she wasn't allowed to do.
She made life and death decisions that she was not authorized to make, asserting that she had the right to make those when she did not go back to court to get permission to make those decisions, nor did she consult with the family. There is always the possibility she could be charged with manslaughter for the things that she did. Because someone died as a result of her actions, which may have been negligent or possibly purposeful.
The state investigation has also caught the governor's attention today.
Those, potential charges, I mean, if the facts are there, I mean, holding someone accountable, I think is totally appropriate. And that obviously will help ensure that people don't do this in the future if they know there's going to be consequences.
Back in Hillsborough County, Judge Catherine Catlin wanted to make sure the same thing doesn't happen to others under Furley's care.
Have you signed a DNR on Ms. Fuller?
I believe there was a DNR in place when she was in Orlando, but since she's moved to Tampa and Haines City, there is no DNR in the charge.
The families are wanting some answers here. Why don't you want to talk to us, Rebecca? Today, Governor Ron DeSantis vowed to reform Florida's broken guardianship system on the heels of multiple I-Team investigations. We'll tell you about his plan coming up at 6. I'm I-Team investigator Adam Walser taking action for you.